Today I am doing passion twist and I will show you how I did it. This is the first time I've done it. But before we get started, make sure you subscribe and hit that notification bell. And I will show you exactly how it's done. Okay, I'm using the Freetress Bohemian Braid in the color 1B and 30. A lot of people use the water wave, but you can do it with both. So this is how the hair looks. And you have to separate it. So you see that little piece. I'm going to start from the middle and just pull it apart. Now, I suggest you do this before your client comes. This is my daughter, so it's fine for her to sit there, but it's very time consuming to separate this hair. So I suggest you do it before. And it gets tangled really easy. So separate it pretty quick. That's what helped me. Sometimes I have to separate the ends first and then separate it from the middle. But now I'm just parting her hair and putting my edge control. You can use any edge control that works best. I will put in the description box what edge control I used. Okay, the method that I'm using today is the invisible method. A lot of people use it with the single ease twist. And so that's just what I'm going to do. I'm going to part it in the middle, or you can kind of do a diagonal. Separate those two pieces. And then you're going to grab some hair and you're just going to place it in the middle. And you are going to twist one way. So you could say I'm twisting forward. And then the other side, I'm going to twist backwards. Or I might have said that wrong. I don't know. But basically, you just twist in the opposite directions. Then you cross them over and twist all the way down. Now, a lot of people will twist and then pull up on the hair. And then twist about 5 more times and then pull up on the hair. I'm gonna tell you the truth, I did not do it that way, but I will show you in this video what I'm talking about. I think it looked curly and natural just by twisting it all the way down. Because I had the Bohemian braid, it was already kind of a curly type of braid. And as you can see, I'm still twisting the way I started it off. I'm still twisting one side forward and the other side backwards. And I'm going all the way down just like that. Some people say you don't have to do it. The hair doesn't need it, but I didn't want to take a chance of like it slipping and stuff. That's just what works for me. So that's what I did. Okay, I'm just showing you again. I have 2 separate pieces. And I'm grabbing the hair. And I'm placing it right there in the middle. Holding it with one hand and twisting it with the other. So I'm kind of twisting forward. And then I'm going to hold that side with the other hand. And now I'm going to use my other hand and twist backwards. Or it's kind of twisting forward too. But you're just basically twisting in the opposite direction. I hope I explained this so you can understand, but there is videos on this method that might be able to explain it a lot clearer than I did. But I'm still twisting it like that. I'm still turning both ends that way. One thing I did like about this hair is I didn't need to seal it. Everybody knows this Freetress hair tangles up if you do crochet or use crochet hair. It gets really, really tangled. But that's one of the things I like about it because it looks very natural and I didn't need to seal it. As you can see the ends, it looks curly and crimpy. It kind of looks crimpy all over. So I think this way works just fine without having to pull up after every like 5 twists. Now I'm going to show you what I'm talking about with the pull up after every 5 twists down. Doing the same thing, twisting one side one way and the other side the other way. Now, I'm not sure if you can just twist them both kind of the same way, like forward. I don't know how that works, but this is what works for me. I don't want anything slipping, so this is what I do. So, excuse me, my daughter's so dramatic. She keeps moving her head so much. And then when I move it, she acts like I'm moving it like crazy. But I'm twisting down and watch me pull up. That's what I'm talking about. That's how a lot of people do it. They'll twist about maybe 5 times and then pull up on both sides. Pull up. And I guess it makes it look more crimpier, but I'm gonna tell you, I did not need to do that with this type of braiding hair. But do whatever works, whatever you like. This was just easier for me not to continue to pull up, but I just wanted to show you what I was talking about. Now you can be creative and put some little jewels on there. The jewels that I put on her hair did not work out. The jewels would just come off. So I really didn't like those. So we used the other little clamps or whatever that usually stays in your hair a lot better. I thought these were cute, but they just would not stay in. This style is super cute, natural, and lightweight. It came out beautiful. It was really easy to do. Yeah, I hope you like it. Please don't forget to subscribe and hit that notification bell so you can get notified the second I upload a video. Thank you for watching.
I won't let